Hi there, this is Barbara, and today I have another tip for you what to do in Canva. This is fun, and I'm going to show you how to create your own gift tags or create templates for your own gift tags so you can make the gift tags more personalized, and make someone happy with that. So let's go. I'll share the screen. If you like what I'm sharing here, I will be happy for likes and subscribe. So here I have a template of a gift tag. So that's a little freebie. I'm sharing this December. I'm sharing every day some tips from Canva and also lots of freebies. The same for English teachers. So I'll share a link where you can download this if you want or get a link to Canva. But you can also create this yourself. As you can see, these are different shapes. Yeah, very basic shapes, heart, kind of rectangle, square, circle, very basic shapes, which you can find in Canva. You can actually create them yourself as well, but that's about a different video, how to create your own frames. That's also possible. But to find these frames, you go here on the left, go to Elements, and you just scroll down in Elements and you go to Frames. And here are hundreds of different frames which you can use as your gift tags. The only difference I've got here is that I already have this little hole in there, but what you can do, you don't need it there, then you can just punch through these gift tags and that's it. If you want them from both sides, just print the page, duplicate the page and print it on the both sides. I would recommend to use some heavier paper, so not the office paper, obviously. Okay, so what you can do with this? Very simple. The first thing which you can do is just give it a very light color, let's say like something like this, like very light gray or yellowish, and print it out. Yeah, print it out as a PDF or image, and your children can color it. Yeah, so they've got a little template for the gift tags. Yeah, that's the simplest version what you can do. The second thing which you can do, I can color. I can use some very simple color. Let's say I'll go for a nice Christmas red, and I put some element on the top of it. Yeah, so for example, I've searched for oops. what did I press? Okay, I'll go here and I search for Christmas transparent, and I choose some transparent element which goes on the top of this color. So for example, I have these snowflakes here. Yeah, so I'll just put them over here. I think actually I can even color these snowflakes. Yeah, I can change the color of them. Okay, we don't want them black, but just for you to see. So let's say I'll make them kind of green. Yeah, so we stay within the Christmas color palette. Okay, so I'll make it smaller. They don't have to be all over. So something like this. Yeah, I'll just make a nice little Christmas snowflakes all around. I can add the text. Yeah, I'll go for text, and I can say for Betty. Okay, I'll choose some nice font which I like. I have some Christmas fonts in here, but there's lots of nice fonts which you can use in Canva. For example, yeah, Brusher, or there's more of them. Great Vibes, it's a really nice one. Yeah, I can change the color of the font, adjust the font, and etc. Yeah, I can write a little message. So this one, yeah, that's another option. Just use some basic background color and use some element on the top. Then what else I can do? I can insert some kind of image or photo in this frame. So if I go just for Christmas, let's search for some photos. What kind of photos would be nice? Let's try this one. Okay, I double click and I move the photo. I want this. Yeah, Again, I can put some text on the top, maybe some elements, yeah. And you can also do the combination. You can put the photo, elements, text. So very simple idea how to create your own Christmas gift tags. You can use your own photos, yeah. I've got the photos of my daughter in here. Okay, so let's try one like this. And I want to add just this photo a little bit. Let's give it some filter so it looks a little bit more Christmassy. Let's go for, or maybe we can go for vintage. Okay, let's go for a retro style. Yeah, maybe let's see some element of heart for graphics, and maybe I can add some heart elements. I'll see maybe if the heart elements don't, yeah, they fill the image, yeah, because it's a frame, yeah. But maybe a little bit, no, this is not going to work, so I just leave this like this, or I write the text for Lucy. For Betty, I'll go for Lucy. Okay, for Lucy. And I'll play a little bit with the text like this. I can add just the text. I'll go to effects and maybe make it a little bit more curved like this. Oh, why not? Okay, for Lucy. And maybe I still want to remove the background from the photo, so I go to background remover, yeah. And yeah, that could be, can make her a little bit bigger. Oh, maybe, yeah, I mean, like there's change the color of the font. Yeah, there's lots of options which you can do just playing with the photos and playing with the elements. If you don't want your graphic or elements to kind of be soaked in, you, instead of frames, you can use only shapes. Yeah, so if I go for shape, let's choose a shape of heart, or let's go for star. Okay, so here we have a shape of star. And over here I can insert the elements, yeah. So I'll change the color of this shape to pink, and I use some elements, for example, pink heart. Yeah, maybe not pink. Maybe pink is not very Christmassy. Let's change, let's make it a different color. What about something neutral? Yeah, like this. And I can create my own photo gift tag with different elements. What else I've got here? We have, see all what I've used. Yeah, we have some Christmas kind of decoration, which doesn't really go with hearts, but nah, this one probably wouldn't work. Or I can use candy canes. So just search in elements for Christmas, and I'm pretty sure you find a lot in there. Yeah. So anything you like, use either frames or use shapes. With shapes, don't forget there's a new function when you can create your border, and you can change the color of the border. You can change the gradient. Yeah, you can change it to gradient. But let's say, okay, we want to make the border. Yeah, and this is like how you create your gift tags in different shapes or different type. Either just print it out and let it for your children to color, or create something very simple with a Christmas theme. You can make them personalized by choosing really nice font, some nice element, Christmas element, or some nice photo or image. There are hundreds of them in Canva. There are special Christmas alphabets. Let me just show you. If you go and type in Christmas alphabet, and yeah, no, now it doesn't show. Yeah, but over here you can see there are some Christmas elements, but if you search a little bit more, you find a different Christmas alphabets, which you can use here as well. So there's no limit to your creativity, and you can prepare for Christmas time by creating something small, personal, for the presents which you are going to give to your loved ones. So that's all for today, and see you next time.